Hey everyone, it's Jamie. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, and it's going to seem really random, some of the things that I have, but that's only because I purchased this about a week ago, and at that time my Dollar Trees did not have really anything exciting out. So I found a few of the things that have been on my wish list that I've been looking for, and then just some things that are, I don't know, you'll see. It's all just random. But I do have some really cool Dollar Tree hauls coming up that are fall, with some of the new fall items that are in Dollar Tree right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. First of all, if you guys have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls on here. I also do a lot of DIYs, a lot of wreath making, lots of crafts and things like that too. So, and not just Dollar Tree hauls. I do hauls from, I do hauls from some other stores too. So, and we are starting to head into my favorite time of year, which is, you know, fall, Halloween, all that good stuff is coming out, so I'm excited. But I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So like I said, all this stuff is just random, nothing real exciting, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway. So on the subject of Halloween and DIYing and things like that, I picked up these. Now, you are probably wondering, why the heck did I buy little doll houses? But I am going to do a DIY with these, and for Halloween. And so I don't know, they had two different ones to choose from, so I don't think there's really much difference in them other than maybe the windows or something, but the shapes are the same. I think these are really cute if you do have, you know, a child that would like to play with doll houses. This is a cheap option because it's only $1. And they do come with little miniature furniture and miniature people, which I think is really cute. So I did grab two of them because, like I said, I'm going to be doing a Halloween DIY with these. So make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I do with these. So there's that. Okay, like I said, randomness. But I found these, and I've not seen these at my Dollar Tree before, but it's by Global Beauty Care. And these are the foot treatment mask. And so I thought I'd get these and try them out just to see if they're any good. Back in, I want to say, when was it? It was in the winter time. It was during the winter. It was probably like in January or February or something. I did a foot peel. And I got the cheapest one that they had at Walmart. I think it was like $5 for it. And let me just say, I will never do that again. It did not hurt. It wasn't anything, wasn't painful or anything like that. But at first, I didn't think it was working because it did absolutely nothing to my feet for the first, I don't know, 4 or 5, probably about 5 days. My feet didn't look like anything was done. And then, probably at about the 6th or 7th day, I started getting a little bit of peeling. I was like, oh, well, that's expected. I'm glad that it's starting to work. I did not stop. My feet did not stop peeling for months. I think it was probably about a month ago when they finally just stopped peeling, and I did this back in January or February. So it took like 3 or 4 months for my feet to stop peeling. So I don't think I'll ever do that again, or at least I will never use that brand. And I cannot think of the brand of it right now. All I know, it was $5 at Walmart. It was just a cheapy foot peel, but I will never do that again because my feet peeled forever. I didn't think they were ever going to stop, and summer was coming, and I'm like, oh no, I'm not going to be able to wear my flip-flops because my feet look scary with all the skin slopping off of it. So anyway, I did grab these though, and they are, let's see, this one is the moisturizing foot mask, and it says it's Hydrant. I don't know. Softens cracked heels and rough, dry feet. Moisturizes and exfoliates. Convenient, wearable mask socks. And you do get one treatment pair in here. So anyway, I thought I'd try this and see. I don't think it's not a peeling mask as far as I know. I hope not. So I grabbed that one. And then this one is the exfoliating foot treatment mask. Oh, this one does peel away. It says peels away calluses and dead skin cells, softens cracked heels and rough, dry feet. Convenient, wearable mask socks. So, since this does say it peels, I may wait and do this more toward the winter time, so that way if my feet go to peeling, I can put socks on and no one will see that. So anyway, if you guys have tried these, let me know what you think of them. Okay, so I was down the crafting section and I was trying to find, I've seen everybody hauling the ribbon with the bees on it and the honeycomb pattern, and I've been dying to find at least the one with the bees, and I can't find it anywhere. But I did find the honeycomb print one. So I was pretty happy to find that. So I did grab 2 rolls of it. And this is the 1.25 inch, and it is 9 feet. So, and it's satin ribbon. Now this is not wired ribbon, which I like to make my bows for my wreaths and things with wired ribbon, but you can still find all kinds of uses for ribbon. You can still make a bow, but I just find using wired ribbon to make a bow helps your bow kind of have more structure to it. But anyway, I thought this was really cute, so I did go ahead and I just grabbed 2 rolls of that. I was down the hair section with all the hair accessories and things, and I found this. It is the by Scunchie. It's the, I don't know, it's a scrunchie, but you get one in here, and the only reason why I got this, you guys, I'm telling you, I am Halloween obsessed, is because of the stripes, and it reminded me of Beetlejuice, so I had to get it. So I did just grab this one little one. But anyway, I thought it reminded me of Beetlejuice, so that's why I got it. Okay, I was down the car section, and okay, I do not like Dollar Tree's air fresheners for the cars. I just don't like them. If it's the Dollar Tree brand, which I think is it Refresh or something? I don't know, but they just don't work. They're a waste of money. They don't work. But I did see this, and I have used this brand before. You can get this at Walmart. It's the Bahama and Company. This is the scent Waikiki Wild Hibiscus, and this one smells really, really good. So I thought I'd get it and try it. It was only $1, and these can go for $3 to $4, sometimes more than that. For, you know, if you was to buy it at Walmart or whatever. But I have used this kind before, and it does work pretty good. So I knew I probably would be happy with getting this. But like I said, the ones that are from the Dollar Tree, I just don't like. I don't like the Dollar Tree's brand. They don't seem like they last very long. And I even bought some that were like the trees, you know, on the little cardboard that you hang from your rearview mirror. It had no scent whatsoever. You get 3 in a pack. It was a waste of $1. So I won't be buying those again. But I thought maybe this one would be, you know, better because it is a name brand and I have used this before. Something that I found is really cute, and I don't know, Dollar Tree, if you really look, sometimes these are hard to find, but I found this one on the little tack strips that go down, and I think I found this in the section where the picture frames and things were. But this is a magnet, and it says be happy on it. It has a little bee on there, and it says happy. But this is so cool because this is like a canvas print. It's on a canvas print, like a miniature canvas. And then the whole back side is a magnet. So, and I love bees, so I was so happy to find this. I love how it looks like shiplap on the back there. I just love it. I just love it. So I had to get it. Okay, so while I was down the craft section, I found this. I've heard that you can get this at Hobby Lobby, but I don't know. I've never seen it at Hobby Lobby, but I don't look for things like this at Hobby Lobby anyway. But anyway, they had this. It's by the Beatery, Craft Products, exclusive Emporium, mini utility box, 1 to 4 adjustable compartments. So if you're, someone that does jewelry making and, you're into jewelry making, you need something to hold your beads and stuff, you can use this. Or I bet you could even use this for like those diamond paintings, the little things that you put on, I don't even know what they are, those little gems. I thought about trying a diamond painting because I think that would be really fun. But diamond paintings are pretty expensive, so... But anyway, you just, it snaps open it up, and then it has these dividers in there with the little divider pieces. So, I mean, it'll give you at least 3 spaces there, separate spaces to put your beads in or whatever you wanted to do. So anyway, I thought that was pretty neat. I don't do jewelry making or anything like that, but I thought I could use this for... maybe something else in my craft room, or I don't know what, but anyway, I just got it to see what I could do with it. Okay, so I have been looking for these. I've seen everyone hauling them, and I just really wanted them. So I actually found them, and I've only found them at one of my Dollar Trees. And when I found these at my Dollar Tree, this was like I said, about a week ago. I've been back and they just haven't had any more. So, but this was the only color that they had. I've heard they have them in different colors. But this is the 2-shelf closet organizer by Essentials. And I did grab 3 of these. But I thought that these were so cool. They do come where you can attach them over your... like if you're hanging them in your closet, you can hang them over the board of your closet. So I'm going to take it out and show you guys. See here at the top, it has this piece right here that you would, if you wanted to hang it up in your closet. I've even heard people hang them in their laundry rooms. But across the rod, you can put this over there, and then it just Velcros over. And then it pops down, and you have little shelves right here. So I thought that was really cool, and I did get these for my craft room so that I can kind of store some things in these, hanging them in my closet. But if I really like them, I don't know. They seem like you probably won't be able to put too heavy of things in here because this doesn't feel real sturdy, so I wouldn't put anything that's too heavy in there. But if you did put it in like your closet, you could put maybe your underwear or socks, or I don't know, maybe tank tops or bathing suits, or I don't know, maybe if you wanted to, you could put your shoes in there. You could probably get at least two pairs of shoes per shelf maybe. So anyway, I just grabbed 3 of those, and like I said, I haven't seen any more since I bought those. Something else, sorry guys, my allergies are just killing me. So I have been seeing everybody haul these, and I have been wanting these. This has been on my wish list, but these are the Quick Survive Lights Any Fire Fast Quick Fire. So you can use these with a charcoal barbecue grill, a fireplace, a fire pit, wood burning stove, or for survival. So these are the fire starters. And my Dollar Trees had not had them, and then I finally found them. So I did grab 5 of them. You can use these for all different things. I've used something similar to this before when we do like bonfires here at my house. It helps to kind of get your fire started, get it going. So I do like to use these, but you never know. You may need these for an emergency, maybe if it becomes like The Walking Dead one day. But anyway, for survival. Or if you go camping and you need a quick way to get your campfire lit, you can use these. So anyway, I just wanted to get some of those and I was glad I found them. Okay, so I try to get these anytime I see them, but these are new. I've never seen these before. These were in the baby section. So it's the table scatter is what they're calling it. Other packages, they package it as vase filler. But these were different. I've never seen them before. So they have the table scatter. It's 110 pieces, and this one is for the boys. It says it's a boy up there, so if you're having like a baby shower or a gender reveal or something, you can use these to decorate with. But I like these because it does have that sort of baby blue color styrofoam balls in there with the silver ones. And then they had the one for the girls, and it says it's a girl, and it has the pink and the silver. So I thought those were really cute, and I do like to use these when I make wreaths to put in my wreaths as embellishments. So I went ahead and grabbed those. Okay, now something else that I've seen everybody haul, and this is a food item, and I normally don't haul food because I don't know. I think it's boring. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys though. This is the Dove Instant Pudding mix. So this is the milk chocolate. That was the only flavor that they had. I've seen where some people have been finding them in different flavors. So, but I love chocolate, so I went ahead and just I did grab 2 boxes of those. So there is that, guys. That is the end of my haul. So make sure that you stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell so that you know when I upload a video. If you like Dollar Tree hauls and you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, because whenever you like my videos, it helps YouTube recognize me so that they can recommend my videos to other people that might enjoy this kind of content. So anyway, leave me a comment down below because I like talking to you all. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!